Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss problem based on analytic function. Now, problem number first. In a two-dimensional fluid flow, the stream function psi equal minus y upon x square plus y square. Find the velocity potential. Phi has been come MTU 2040. Answer. Since psi equal minus y upon x square plus y square, now del psi upon del x will be 2xy upon x square plus y square whole square. Now del psi upon del y will be x square plus y square divided root of differentiation minus differentiation of y, that is 1, x square plus y square as it, minus differentiation on numerator, that is 2y into y. This will be equal y square minus x square upon x square plus y square whole square. But CR equations can be written as del phi upon del x equal del psi upon del y and del phi upon del y equal minus del psi upon del x. Now we want to show that velocity potential phi, but we consider phi is a function of xy. Now differentiate d phi equal to del phi upon del x dx plus del phi del y dy. Now putting the value of del phi upon del x by CR equation, del psi upon del y dx as it. Now del phi upon del y equal minus del psi upon del x dy. Now del psi upon del y square minus x square upon x square plus y square whole square dx minus del psi upon del x equal 2xy upon x square plus y square dy as it. Therefore, x square plus y square whole square is LCM. Now we add x square and subtract x square. Now Therefore, x square plus y square dx minus 2x square dx minus 2xy dy. Now taking again x square plus y square whole square, x square plus y square dx minus x common bracket x 2x dx plus 2y dy. Therefore, it can be written as differentiation of x upon x square plus y square. This is the value of d phi. Integrate phi equal x upon x square plus y square plus c. This is the velocity potential. Now another method we apply Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson. By Milne-Thomson method, fz equal to integration phi 1 z0 minus I psi 2 z0 dz. This is equation first. Now phi 1 z0 equal del phi upon del x, x equal to z, y equal to 0 in this. Now del phi upon del x equal to del psi upon del y by CR equation. Now del psi upon del y equal to this. Now putting y is equal to 0 and x is equal to z in this. Then we get 0 minus z square upon z square plus 0 whole square. Now value of this minus 1 upon z square. Value of phi 1 z0. Now psi 2 z0 equal to del phi upon del y. Put in this x equal to z, y is equal to 0. The value of del phi upon del y is equal to minus del psi upon del x. Del psi upon del x is equal to this. Now put in this x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Then we get value of psi 2 z0 equal to 0. Now putting the phi 1 z0 and psi 2 z0 in equation number first. Then we get fz equal integration minus 1 upon z minus 0 dz. This is equal to fz. Now value of this fz. Now value of this 1 upon z plus constant. Now we can write 1 upon x plus iy. Now divide and multiplied conjugate of this x minus iy plus constant at the value of fz u plus I phi plus I psi. Now x upon x square plus y square plus minus iy upon x square plus y square plus constant c. Now phi comparing by this, phi is equal to x upon x square plus y square plus constant c. This is the another method to evaluate velocity potential. Now next problem number 2. An electrostatic field in the xy plane is given by potential function phi equal 3x square y minus y cube. Find the stream function and hence find complex potential. Has been come GBTU 2011,13. Such problem can be solved as above two methods. Now apply here Milne-Thomson method only. Since phi equal 3x square y minus y cube. Now differentiation with respect to x. Del phi upon del x equal to 6xy comma del phi upon del y equal 3x square minus 3y square. Now phi 1 z0. Put x equal to z, y is equal to 0 in del phi upon del x. This will be 0. Now psi 2 z0. Put x equal to z, y equal to 0 in del phi upon del psi. This equal to 3 z square. Now by Milne-Thomson, fz equal to integration phi 1 z0 minus I psi 2 z0 dz plus constant c. Now value of this equal to 0 minus 3I z square dz plus c. This equal to minus I z cube plus c. This equal to w equal to fz equal to this. This is the complex potential. This is complex potential. Now we want to show that value of stream function. Since w is equal to phi plus I psi, now minus I value of z x plus iy whole cube plus c. Now solving this, x cube minus iy cube plus 3I x plus iy plus c. Now this can be written as minus y cube plus 3x square y plus I into 3x y square minus x cube plus c. Value of f plus I psi. Now comparing, psi equal to 3xy square minus x cube plus c. This is the value of stream function. Now next problem, problem number 3rd. If u plus v equal to 2 sin 2x upon e to the power 2y plus e to the power minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x and fz equal u plus iv is an analytic function of z equal to x plus iy, full stop. Find fz in terms of z. Now answer, u plus v equal 2 sin 2x upon e to the power 2y plus e to the power minus 2y minus 2 cos 2x. Now 2 divided and 2 multiplied in e to the power 2y plus e to the power minus 2y. Then we get value of this 2 sin 2x upon 2 cos 2y minus 2 cos 2x. Then u plus v is equal to cancel 2 quantity. Now we get sin 2x upon cos 2y minus cos 2x. This is equation number A. Now partial differentiation with respect to x in equation number A. Then we can write ux plus vx equal to, this is done by divide rule, cos 2y minus cos 2x whole square. Well, differentiation of this 2 cos 2x into cos 2y minus cos 2x as it, minus differentiation of denominator, this is equal to 0, this is equal to minus minus plus, again minus 2 cos 2x, oh sin 2x, sorry, sin 2x into sin 2x as it, this is equal to ux plus vx equal cos 2y minus cos 2x whole square. The value of cos square 2x sin square 2x minus minus common, sin square 2x plus cos square 2x equal to plus 1. Then we can write 2 cos 2x cos 2y minus 2, equation number first. We know that CR equations ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. Apply in this, ux value of vx equal minus uy cos 2y minus cos 2x whole square, 2 cos 2x cos 2y minus 2, equation number first dash. Now differentiation, partial differentiation with respect to y in equation A. Then we get uy plus vy equal to minus 2 sin 2x sin h 2y upon cos 2y minus cos 2x whole square. This is equal to equation number 2. Now again we apply CR equation, value of vi equal to ux, that is ux plus uy equal minus 2 sin 2x into sin hyperbolic 2y cos 2y minus cos 2x whole square, equation 2 dash. Now adding equation first dash plus equation 2 dash, then we get 2ux taking LCM, cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square. LCM is same, 2 cos 2x cos h2y minus 2 sin 2x sin h2y. Now we can calculate phi 1 z0. We get phi 1 z0 by putting x equal to z, y is equal to 0 in equation number above equation. Then we get cos 2z into 1 minus 1, this is equal to 0. Now 1 minus cos 2z whole square. That is phi 1 z 0 equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus cos 2z. Now by solving, then we get minus 1 upon 2 cosec square z. This is equal to value of phi 1 z0. Now equation number 2, from equation number 2 minus equation number first dash, 2 dash minus first dash, then we get 2uy equal cos h2y minus cos 2z whole square minus 2 sin 2x sin h2y plus 2 minus 2 cos 2x cos h2y. Now side to z0, put in above equation x is equal to z, y is equal to 0, this will be 0. Now 1 minus cos 2z upon 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Now 1 upon 1 minus cos 2z. Therefore side to z0 equal 1 upon 2 cosec square z. Now putting the value of phi 1 z0 and psi 2 z0 in Milne-Thomson formula. So by Milne formula, fz equal integration phi 1 z0 minus I psi 2 z0 dz plus constant. That is fz equal integration value of phi 1 z0 minus 1 upon 2 cosec square z minus 1 upon 2 cosec square z dz plus constant. Now 1 plus I by 2 negative common, integration cosec square z dz plus constant. That is fz equal 1 plus I by 2 cot z plus c. This is the value of fz in terms of z. Now next problem, problem number 4. If fz equal u plus iv is analytic function, is an analytic. Find fz in terms of z if u minus v equal e to the power x cos y minus sin y, has has been come AKTU 2016. Let u minus v equal to e to the power x cos y minus sin y. We consider this is equation number A. Now partial differential with respect to x, ux minus vx e to the power x cos y minus sin y as it. Since CR equation ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. Now putting the value of minus vx equal to uy, then ux plus uy equal e to the power x cos y minus sin y. This is equation number first. Now partial differential with respect to y in equation number A. Then we can write uy minus vy equal e to the power x as it minus sin y minus cos y. Now value of vy is equal to ux. So minus ux plus uy equal e to the power x minus sin y minus cos y. Now taking negative common, then we get negative cancel by negative, ux minus uy equal e to the power x sin y plus cos y. This is equation number 2. Now adding equation number first and second, equation first plus equation second, then 2ux equal to e to the power x common. Now sin y cancel sin y, 2 cos y, 2 cancel by 2. Then we get phi 1 z 0 by putting x equal to z, y is equal to 0 in ux. Then e to the power z cos 0 1. Now equation number second subtract from equation number 1, then equation number first minus equation number second, then we get 2uy is equal to equation number first minus equation number second, 2uy equal to minus 2 e to the power x sin y. That is uy equal minus e to the power x sin y. Then psi 2 z0 will be 0. By putting x equal to z and y is equal to 0 in uy, the value of sin 0 equal to 0, this is equal to 0. Now from Milne-Thomson formula, by Milne-Thomson, fz equal integration phi 1 z0 minus I psi 2 z0 dz plus constant. That is fz is equal to integration value of phi 1 z e to the power z minus I into 0 dz plus constant. That is fz is equal to e to the power z plus constant. This is the solution of this. Now next problem, problem number 5. If fz be regular function, regular means analytic of z, prove that del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 fz modulus square, this is equal to 4 f dash z modulus square. Proof. We know that del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 equal to 4 del 2 z upon del z bar. This condition proved also before videos. Now left hand side of problem, putting the value del 2 upon del x2 plus del 2 upon del y2 for del 2 upon del z bar. We know that z modulus square is equal to z bar. Therefore, the value of fz modulus square can be written as fz into fz bar. Now differentiation with respect to z bar, then we get 4 del upon del z, fz as it, differentiation of fz bar dash. Now differentiation with respect to z, 4 f dash z into fz bar dash. This is equal to 4 f dash z modulus square. This is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, student.